How many were here last time we did street nights? Alright, so that's pretty good because there's a lot of new faces. Street nights is created, first off, I'm a police officer with the city of Tampa. And I created the CARS program, which now is basically all through Hillsborough County. It's working into Pinellas County now. And the whole idea of the CARS program is just to try and stop some of the street racing going on. That's the whole purpose of it. We're trying to train high school kids, get them more educated. For you guys, what we're trying to do is things like this. We're giving you some place to come and do your racing. You know, you come out here and you can run and run and run many times as you want to go down the track. And the cool thing is, nobody's going to hassle you out here. You know, there's a lot of stuff to do. There's car shows, stereo competitions, DJ, the whole 9 yards. That's what we're trying to create. Now, when I say we, this is not me. Okay, this is a whole group of people that have actually done this. Okay, my part of it is Bruce Murakami from Safe Teen Driver. That's Bruce. He's one of my partners. Matt Scranton, I don't know if you guys know Matt Scranton. He's a professional drag racer. He's part. Well, we were ready to do an event here at the track. And so I called Todd, and it just so happened at the same time I called Todd, the very day, REV Xtreme guys were also coming here to have a meeting for street racing and to try and get it off the track, or get it off the street and get it here. So we partnered with them. And I am extremely excited about this. I think this is something that's going to be huge. And you guys looking around right now, there's about maybe 50 of you here. By about 8:30 tonight, you're not even going to be able to walk in this place. That's what happened to us last time. So I just want to thank you guys for showing up here, because it proves to us that we are trying to do the right thing for y'all. And I see a lot of young faces, and that's our target group. It's the 16 to 24-year-olds. And I really appreciate you guys coming in. It means we're finally on the right path. So, but Tracy and Randy's going to do the drag racing school for you. What we want to do with that is, I'm going to let them explain the whole concept to you, but what we're trying to do is, for the new people that come, sometimes it's a little bit intimidating. So we're going to try and get by that a little bit, maybe with some information and showing you a few things, how to do it properly and how to do it right, and kind of speed up the learning process. So, with that, for Tracy from REV Xtreme, he's one of the owners. Dino's the other one. I don't know where Dino's at. But
sitting down.
Dino's sitting down.
Dino just donated a kidney to his son who had kidney failure. He is in pretty rough shape, but he's a trooper and he's out here. We got Mike Albano over here, who really is behind all this and has put the most work into organizing it. I run a professional drag race team all over the eastern U.S., as well as what we do at REV Xtreme. The team right now is up in Memphis, Tennessee. They're racing for $100,000 tonight, so wish them luck. We want to see that. I'm going to go over basic rules and safety and some of the pit rules and stuff, and then I'm going to turn it over to Randy. He'll go a little bit on technique, burnouts, staging, what to do on the track, etiquette on getting off the track, if that's all right. Number one, speed limit in the pits is 5 miles an hour. It is so easy. You got a car, your life savings is in. You don't want someone to back into it or run somebody over or something happen. Just take your time in here. You go fast as you want on the track. No spinning the tires, no burnouts. Just, you know, have as much etiquette as possible in the pits. You get out on the track, let it all hang out, and you can have fun. A caution on the faster cars. If you get loose, let off. Don't overcorrect. Don't hit the brakes too hard. Come back and do another run, because we don't want anybody to scrape their paint up and stuff here. You will be able to line up. I'm not sure where we're lining up, but they do line up.
1 and 2 are going to be on street tires.
Okay.
And 3 and 4 are going to be on the exhibitions.
1 and 2 is on this. Is the first ones here are for street tired cars. Now, by street tire, that's anything with DOT legal. Slick tire cars are the ones that probably were trailered in. Those will be in 3 and 4, and they're mainly for exhibitions, super fast, fun to watch cars. We're right now set up, I believe, for once a month to have this ongoing. We'd like to see it go to once a week if possible. So there's a regular hangout spot that everybody can come. I don't care if it's show, shine, race, you got an ugly car, you got a good looking car. I don't care if it's sport compact or a classic or what it is. You're welcome here and we want you. Bikes, any of it. When you're exiting the track, whoever's in the right lane generally has the right of way because we're exiting to the right on this track. Some tracks, such as Bradenton, exit to the left. The ET shack is down here. Stop there, you'll get your time slip. You'll see how to work on your reaction time. You'll see what your ET was. Feel free to ask anybody that is more experienced for tips on launching, burnouts, any of that.
Behind you.